Imagine watching half of an entire river simply disappear without leaving a single trace. The water crashes into a giant hole in the rocks, but it never seems to come back out. For decades, scientists searched for the missing water, but every theory failed. Some believed it flowed through hidden caves, others thought it reached an underground river. But the real answer turned out to be far more surprising than anyone had imagined. Welcome to the History Vault. Today's mystery begins in the forests of Minnesota. This incredible place is called Devil's Kettle, hidden deep inside Minnesota's wilderness. Here, the Brule River suddenly divides into two powerful waterfalls before everyone's eyes. One waterfall continues downstream normally, but the other vanishes into a giant hole. Visitors watch the water disappear every day, but no one could explain where it went. To solve the mystery, researchers began testing every idea they could imagine. First, they released bright-colored dye into the disappearing waterfall. They waited downstream, expecting the colored water to appear somewhere below. But the bright green dye never appeared, leaving everyone even more confused. Years later, researchers tried a different approach by measuring the river's flow. The results revealed that almost all the water continued downstream, ending decades of speculation. The hidden answer wasn't beneath the rocks. It was in the river itself. The water never vanished. It simply rejoined the river farther downstream. Powerful currents carry the hidden flow through deep cracks inside the volcanic rock. From above, the waterfall still looks impossible, even after knowing the science. Sometimes, nature's greatest mysteries have surprisingly simple scientific answers. For generations, this strange waterfall inspired myths, legends, and endless speculation. People imagined hidden caves, underground rivers, and even supernatural forces at work. But careful observation proved more powerful than imagination. Science replaced mystery with evidence, without taking away the wonder. And Devil's Kettle remains one of America's most fascinating natural landmarks. But one important question still remained. Why did this place form in the first place? Millions of years ago, powerful volcanic activity shaped these hard basalt cliffs. Over countless centuries, rushing water slowly carved deep channels through the solid rock. Eventually, the river reached a natural fracture unlike anything around it. That single geological feature transformed an ordinary river into a worldwide mystery. Even today, thousands of visitors stop here, asking the very same question. Where does the disappearing water actually go after entering the basin? The answer lies beneath the surface, hidden inside the ancient bedrock. Scientists believe the water follows hidden pathways before rejoining the river downstream. The mystery wasn't magic. It was geology patiently revealing its secrets. Today, the waterfall is protected inside Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota. A scenic forest trail leads visitors through one of Minnesota's most beautiful landscapes. Every year, thousands of curious travelers come hoping to witness the mystery for themselves. Most leave with more questions than answers, despite knowing the scientific explanation. Because seeing the impossible with your own eyes feels completely different from reading about it. The waterfall is only about 15 feet high, yet it became world famous for its mystery. Its mystery attracted scientists, explorers, photographers, and curious travelers from around the world. Today, the mystery is understood, but the feeling of wonder remains exactly the same. Nature often reminds us that reality can be even more astonishing than imagination. And perhaps somewhere, another impossible mystery is still waiting to be solved. Some mysteries disappear when we solve them. Others become even more fascinating. Devil's Kettle reminds us that curiosity is the beginning of every scientific discovery. What mysterious place should we explore next? Share your answer in the comments, and it might become our next documentary. Subscribe to the History Vault and join us for the world's greatest mysteries, one story at a time.